In this video, I will guide you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper wallet to Telegram wallet. Unlock the Tonkeeper app on your device to access your wallet. Locate the USDT tab within the app interface and tap on it. Tap on Send button, usually represented by a rightward arrow icon. Enter the recipient's Telegram wallet address carefully. Double check the address to avoid misdirecting your funds. Input the USDT amount you wish to transfer. Verify the recipient's address and transfer amount before proceeding. The USDT will be deducted from your Tonkeeper wallet and sent to the Telegram wallet instantly. That's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper wallet to Telegram wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.